Hello, everyone. Here's your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, October 4th. We still have some lingering showers today, mainly east of I-15. Otherwise, high pressure will return, and this keeps us dry through the weekend. And with this dry weather this time of year, that means some chilly morning temperatures across our area. And some folks will see some frost or some freeze impacts over the next few days. However, this is not going to last forever. We will see showers back with us by the first part of next week. Northwest flow over us today, and that's because our trough has moved to the east. We do have our showers early today over the southeast corner, and like we said, over the eastern areas. We'll see a few more showers today. One other thing of concern is we've already seen some stratus and fog developing over portions of the Magic Valley and the Snake Plain. We'll see pockets of that throughout the area, not only this morning, tomorrow morning for sure. We'll have to see how things progress over the next couple of days, how dry it gets out there, to see if this potential will continue beyond tomorrow morning. Our weather risk outlook matrix, basically minor impacts where we do see some of this fog, and it is dense in some places where we're seeing it. It is below a quarter mile. Again, for the trend tomorrow, we have those showers over the area. One other thing of concern, like we said, the frost and freeze conditions. In our typical colder spots, definitely some frost and freeze issues. We'll have to deal with some pockets of morning frost over portions of mainly the Snake Plain for the next few mornings heading into the weekend with that high pressure in the area, the dry air in place. That's allowing temperatures to drop to be pretty chilly in the morning. Showers today, we do have a few this morning over the southeast corner. Those continue to move to the south and to the east. We'll see some light showers over the eastern highlands, especially once you get up around Palisades up north towards Island Park. We could see a few showers this afternoon, maybe back towards Holbrook and also along the Bear River Range. But most of these showers will be east of I-15. It's not a lot of shower activity, just a few showers here and there. We'll see that eventually end as we go into the overnight hours, and after that, we'll be dry until the first part of next week. So looking at temperatures for today, a little bit warmer across the board. We'll see some low 60s cropping up in a few spots, especially over towards the Burley area, the Magic Valley, over into the Treasure Valley, and maybe a few other spots in the Central Mountains in 60s for 60s this afternoon and in the southeast corner. Otherwise, 40s and 50s in general for afternoon highs. Not terribly breezy today across the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley up into the Central Mountains and along the Montana border. Some of those gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour at times, mainly this afternoon and just before sunset. Now, for temperature-wise the next few days, you can see those chilly temperatures. Oh, again, looking in the higher elevations or mountainous areas, what we consider our mountainous areas where we don't issue frost advisories or freeze warnings. Temperatures in the upper 20s to low 30s, probably Stanley Basin, the Copper Basin in the upper teens to low 20s tomorrow morning. But across the Snake Plain, especially once you get out towards some of the more rural areas, the INL, the Arco Desert, over west of Blackfoot up into the upper part of the plain, we're looking at temperatures around 33 to 36 degrees tomorrow morning. That allows us to warm up, though, tomorrow afternoon. 70 in Chalice, many areas in the 60s to near 70-degree range for tomorrow, 50s up in the high country. For Friday morning, some of those temperatures still around. You can still see those 20s, even some teens in the higher elevations. But once you get into, again, the Snake Plain, 30 to 36 degrees in some areas. The more populated areas, we're going to be in the upper 30s to low 40s. So not necessarily looking at a frost issue where we have most of the population along the interstate corridor the next couple of mornings. Saturday morning, trend continues, although we start to see those temperatures creeping up a little bit each day. Still potential some frost over the more rural areas of the Snake Plain, but more 70s cropping into the forecast by Saturday afternoon, and even warmer on Sunday. Not many folks outside of the higher elevations, even down around the Bear Lake area up into the Central Mountains. A few less spots seeing frost and freeze conditions, and very spotty frost possible Sunday morning over portions of the upper end of the Snake Plain. But mid to upper 70s possible in the Magic Valley over into the Treasure Valley by the time we get to Sunday. So once again, showers today, mainly east of I-15. Not a whole lot of activity expected there. Dry conditions into the weekend with high pressure, like we said, and like we're pointing out, some frost and freeze impacts the next few mornings across portions of central and eastern Idaho. Have a great day, and do stay safe out there, everyone.